Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a payment on NetCredit online. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, open the website. Then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and account password. On the NetCredit homepage you will see a blue button that says, Make a Payment. Click on Make a Payment. On the Make a Payment page you will see a blue button that says, Add Debit Card. Click on Add Debit Card. A pop-up window will appear that has 3 text boxes. Enter the information needed on the text box. After entering the information needed, you need to scroll to the right to see Save button. Click on Save. Back on Make a Payment page, it will auto-generate the date of your payment, and how much the amount you need to pay. After you double-check the date and the amount, you need click on Submit Payment to proceed. And that's how you make a payment on NetCredit online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.